How to get a refund on Reem Taxi. First, if you had any kinds of trouble with the Reem Taxi application, you can troubleshoot the problem on the official website. Go to your browser and here you want to type in Reem Taxi refund policy. Simply search for Reem Taxi refund policy and you want to scroll down and go to the official Kareem page over here. After that, you want to scroll down all the way. If this article was helpful, you can follow this. You can read all this information over here. Maybe you'll get your answer. However, if you just want to contact the support team, you can simply tap on contacting support team. Contact Kareem, and here you want to scroll down and tap on helpkareem.com. Here you can apply your phone number, your email address, your services, and here on the description you want to explain your problem, and if your appeal is valid, you might even get your refund. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.